Started off with a rhyme and a dream, made it the greatest and the latest, now we fresh on the scene. Got the sample for the kids, won't you ever grow up? Went to Drexel and had classes, but I never showed up. I was writing all day till my hands were hurt. Professor didn't appreciate it, called me a jerk. New boy, need to learn, but I never would. Pay attention in school is something that I never could. And know where the beat gotta be steaming, and we could work wonders over logic and reason. We on the hype, now they call it a buzz. And how we get the party poppin', Baltimore Club, MySpace, they could replay next. And you gotta have Zap for the DJ set. No matter how they replay us, they can never replace us. And anyway you slicing that homie, they came to take us. Hey yo, Zap Fool, we back, son. We did it. Say hello to the game. The people know my name. And do they really love us? Or is this just a fling? And we be Peter Parker. The people know my name. So many people gone, so many people came. And this that brand new spontaneous dope flow, intravenous, miscellaneous grinding. Better late than never, I'm calling it perfect timing. But we gon' have a little bit of fun, cause when it's all done, you throw your sneaks up and call it a good run. I admit that I would never rather than burn me. I don't know where I'm headed, but I know it's a journey. And my bags is packed, so can you hand me my itinerary? I get attention like a soldier in the military. This is what you gotta notice today. We promise to make sure they never throw us away.
Your turn.
Oh, but they get it from me.
All the teachers, they're really nice people, and they taught me a lot of things I can use in the future.
They made me believe I can sing, so that's good enough.
Learn how to dance, sing, act.
Thank you for everything. You've taught us so much, and we're really appreciative.
It's going to help me realize that it's okay to mess up. You mess up sometimes.
Think outside the box. Thanks for everything.